Hey, welcome back. What are they doing, Cuba? Here's my question. Ladies, I'm not talking to the gentlemen right now, I'm talking to the ladies. What's your favorite smell in soap? I know I've said it in at least 3 or 4 videos. Out of 500 subscribers, there's gotta be some ladies in there. Please feel free to speak freely. What kind of soap do you like? What are your favorite fragrances, okay? I'm going to do a baseline lavender because lavender soap has always been disappointing to me. It's never been very lavendery. I mean, if that's even a thing. But the amount of lavender, I bought my first lavender candle today that seemed adequate. I haven't set it on fire yet, so I don't know. But I was thinking lavender because I'm growing lavender. So let's talk about lavender. Lavender. It's one of those plants that grows forever. You plant it once, it grows and grows and grows forever. So why do we have yards? Because lavender, if you look at it, the flowers are beautiful. They're fragrant. They bring the bees in to pollinate, and they kind of look like rosemary. Anything that looks like rosemary has properties that are insect repellents. So do you want grass? Grass attracts insects like the nuisance kind. Lavender repels them. So if everybody had purple yards, this country would be officially royal. Like royale. Purple, you know, the color of royalty. Anyways, ladies, come on, tell me what you want. I'm gonna do the lavender honeysuckle, and I haven't really figured out the rest of the fragrance yet. So, I mean, I would like some ideas, y'all. Help me out, yeah? Let me know what you think. Please, like, subscribe, give me some comments, give me some feedback, you know? Love you, made it.